Welcome to the Blue Mouse Knits. Today I'm going to show you how to work a cable to back. This cable is worked over 2 stitches, and I'm going to show you how to do this with a cable needle. So I find it's easiest if you bring your right hand needle in front of your left. And now I'm going to slip the first stitch from my left hand needle onto a cable needle as if to purl. So go into it from right to left, but just slip it to the cable needle. And we can kind of hold it there in the back of your work. Re-pick up your yarn so it's on top of that cable needle and it's out of the way. And now we're going to knit the next stitch off your left hand needle normally. And again, you can drop your yarn to the back right. And now we're going to slip that stitch from our cable needle back to our left hand needle. So go ahead and slip it without twisting it. Back to our left hand needle. Our yarn should be out of the way. And now we're going to knit that stitch. So there you have it. That is how you work a cable to back. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to find the cable to front video, you can find that here. I also have a video on how to work the cable to back without a cable needle. Thanks so much for watching.